In this video, we are going to study coefficient of variation CV. In my last videos, variance and standard deviation part 1 and variance and standard deviation part 2, we have seen that mean x bar and standard deviation sigma have the same units as the data. Therefore, we can take their ratio sigma upon x bar, and if we multiply this ratio by 100, we get percentage ratio, and this percentage ratio is known as coefficient of variation CV. So coefficient of variation CV is standard deviation upon mean multiplied by 100. This percentage ratio is independent of units, as the units get cancelled when we take this ratio sigma upon x bar. Coefficient of variation is a measure of variability independent of units. Coefficient of variability is useful for comparing variability or dispersion of two data series, and the data series with greater CV is said to be more variable as compared to the series with smaller CV. Hello friends, you are watching YouTube channel Number Collage. This channel features videos on mathematical concepts. Effort has been made to explore the concepts through basic mathematical ideas. Hope you will like my effort. A data is given where class interval of marks is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc. and 70 to 80. For group A, corresponding frequency of marks is 9, 17, etc. and 9. And for group B, these values are 10, 20, etc. and 7. We have to tell which group is more variable, group A or group B. The subject matter of this video is not to find arithmetic mean and standard deviation, about which we have discussed in detail in my previous videos. We will directly write the values of arithmetic mean and standard deviation. So for group A, arithmetic mean is 44.6 and standard deviation 15.09, and for group B, arithmetic mean is same as group A 44.6 and standard deviation 15.61. Here, since the arithmetic mean of both the groups is same 44.6, the variability will be decided by their standard deviations alone. Since standard deviation of group B 15.61 is greater than standard deviation of group A 15.09, which implies group B has more variability in the marks than group A. Prices of two types of shares are given: shares X and shares Y. Shares X are 35, 54, 52, etc. and 49, and prices of share Y are 108, 107, etc. and 109. We will directly write the values of arithmetic mean and standard deviation. For share type X, arithmetic mean is 51 and standard deviation 5.91, and for share Y, arithmetic mean is 105 and standard deviation 2. Now coefficient of variation for share X is standard deviation upon mean multiplied by 100, which is 5.91 upon 51 multiplied by 100, which is 11.58. And coefficient of variation for share Y is standard deviation upon arithmetic mean into 100, 2 upon 105 multiplied by 100, which is 1.9. Here, since coefficient of variation of prices of share X is greater than the coefficient of variation of prices of shares Y, which is 1.9, we can say that the prices of shares Y, which are 108, 107, 105, etc., are more stable than the prices of shares X, which are 35, 55, 52, etc. Data given for a firm A and firm B is as follows. Number of wage earners for firm A is 586 and that for firm B 648. Mean of monthly wages for firm is rupees 5253 and that for firm B rupees same 5253. Variance of distribution for firm A is 100 and that for firm B 121. We have to find number 1, which of the firms A and B pays larger amount as monthly wages. Number 2, which of the firms A or B shows greater variability in individual wages. Total amount paid by firm A is number of wage earners 586 multiplied by mean of monthly wages 5253 and total amount paid by firm B is 648 into 5253. From 648 and 586 we can say that firm B pays larger amount as monthly wages. So that is the answer to this first question. Secondly, standard deviation for firm A is square root of 100, that is 10, and that for firm B is square root of 121, that is 11. Here, since standard deviation of firm B being greater than standard deviation of firm A, the mean monthly wages, that is the arithmetic mean of the wages, being same 5253, 5253, we can say that firm B has greater variability than firm A, even though firm B pays larger amount of monthly wages. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.